Chalo, sir. So again, very good evening to everyone. And I hope I'm audible as well as visible. I hope you guys can see me, hear me clearly, everybody. So here I am back with the this week's live mock analysis video. So chalo, let's start with the class as soon as possible. Let's start with the session as soon as possible. So new week, new class. Now, everyone, the notification has been out. So now this is the time to put your foot in the accelerator, right? So there is no time to waste. So again, sectional timings are a big thing now. So a couple of things I'm just talking to you guys before I start. Sectional timings are a big thing now. So we will also need to, again, so these techniques that I generally show, the way I try to solve the questions every week, these things become more and more important now. So again, try to learn from this, and if you have any problem understanding anywhere, feel free to ask anytime. Stop me anytime. Sir, with that being said, first question. A number when divided by 15, remainder is 8, divided by remainder is this. Which of the following is true? Sir, trial, best option. Divided by 15, remainder is 8. So if I take the number as 8 itself, divide by 15, remainder is 8, sir. No worries. Now divided by 9 leaves the remainder a. So in that case, if I divide 8 by 9, so remainder is 8 only, because 9 is again less than 8. So this is a, sir. Now, which of the following, sir? Prime number. Sir, 8 is a prime number? Absolutely not. Multiple of 3? Absolutely not. Even number? Yes, sir, even number. Possible values? Again, we have to check. Let's move on, sir. Let's move on to second part. Second part is what they are saying. Sir, again, let's take another trial, because two options I still have to eliminate. So next possibility, sir, n I'm putting. So now the quotient I'm taking 1, meaning, sir, divided by 15. 15 ones are 15 plus 8, meaning the number I'm taking 23. 23 you divide by 15, this is 8, sir. Perfect. Now 23 you divide by 9. So remainder is how much? Remainder is 5, sir. 18 and 5. So it is, a is not always a even number as well, because 5 is not a even number. This is a only. Remainder is called a. So meaning my only possible answer is option number D. So I don't need to know anything to answer this. I don't need to know anything to answer this properly. Next one, please. Sir, again, the most popular method over here will be value putting. But again, if anybody is a little willing to use their brain, they will say 2z meaning z plus z. So take one z to this side and take the other z to this side. Sorry, this y to this side. So this will become minus common y minus z. I've just jumped a step. Why? Because I just want to do this. X by x minus z. I'm writing x by, this is y minus of y minus z. Plus this is z by y minus z. So y minus z I can take common, or the LCM is same. It will be z minus x. And so this is minus 4. Minus 4 you keep it. Y minus z. So z minus x is what? Sir, y minus z, minus of y minus z is this. So z minus x will be y minus z only. So this is 1. So my answer will be 1 minus 4, which is minus 3, sir. Option number C. This is the proper method. Now another method, sir. Again, that is also very good method. Value putting. Sir, x plus y equal to 2z. Sir, it is 2. This is y 0. This is z is 1, sir. Put the values over here. Sir, x is 2 by 2 minus z is 1, sir. Plus z is how much? 1 by y is 0 minus z is 1 minus 4. 2 plus of minus 1 minus 4. This is plus 1 minus 4. This is minus 3. So both ways you see we are getting the same answer. Both ways you see we are getting to the same answer. Now whichever method you prefer, whichever method you prefer, sir, I have given the same method. I have given you the both the methods. Next one please. Next one please, sir. On a shelf, 45% of the number of English books equal to 3/4 of number of Hindi books. Again, sir, very simple. 45%, 45 by 100 of English, 3/4 meaning 3/4 of Hindi, sir. So 5 nines, 5 20s, 4 5s, 3 3s. English to Hindi. So English first, Hindi then. So 5 here, 3 here. 5:3, sir. Option 3. Option C. Option C, sir. Yes, Ganesh, absolutely, brother. Everything works. Everything works. Whichever you feel comfortable, please use it. Second method, whenever you are using, just keep in mind that the denominator, you should not put any value. The denominator comes as 0 after putting the values. That should not happen. That's the only check. Sir, divided by 6 and 13 is there. Sir, again, it's very simple. 13 to the power 9 by 6, and this is plus 3. So this is plus 1, sir. So 1 to the power 19 plus 3, which will be 4. Again, a one-liner, 10 seconder. 10 seconder, sir. Because 6 twos are 12, then 1. So 1 to the power anything is 1 only. It would have been interesting if it was 11, meaning minus 1. Sir, next one, following which has more volume. Sir, whenever maxima, minima always happens. The maximum volume, minimum volume, these type of things always happen. Maximum volume always happens when the structure is the most symmetric. Now tell me, cuboid is most symmetric or cube? Sir, cube is always the most symmetric. So that will have the maximum volume, sir. So you don't need to do anything. Again, if you want, you can see 7 cube, 6 into 7 into 8. You will always find 7 cube to be greater than 6 into 7 into 8, sir. You can check. Whoever wants to check, please check. Perfect. Remainder question missed. Chalo Tanisha ke liye, sir. Just everyone. Just a second for Tanisha. Remainder question was the first one, I guess, right? Tanisha, remainder question, na? Just use trial. Just use trial. Sister, just use trial. Ek second, question kahan hai? Sir, you use the first one. The quotient is 1. So n I'm taking 8 itself. Because you see 8 by 15, the remainder is 8. Again, sir, 8 by 9, the second time, division by 9. Again, the remainder is 8. So meaning, this is A. The whatever remainder we are getting after dividing it by 9, that is the A. Sir, A is always prime number. No, sir. Multiple of 3. No, sir. Now the second, because these two options, because even and like this second option C, option D, still I cannot eliminate. I need to take the next kind of trial. That is, I'm taking quotient as 1. So meaning division by 15. So quotient is 1, meaning 15 into 1 plus remainder is 8, meaning n I'm taking as 23. 15 plus 8. Now 23 you divide by 9, sir. The remainder A comes out to be 5. Now that is not an even number. I can eliminate this as well. So the only possible value can be option 4. Clear? Moving on. Moving on, sir. Sorry. Moving on, sir. We were at 5th question. We have done 6th one. Chalo. Chalo, sir. Everybody read the question, please. 100-meter race, A beats B by this, C by this. Acha, C by this. Acha. Sir, A, B, and C. 100-meter race, A has completed 100 meters, beats B by 12. Meaning B has completed. B has gone 12 meters less, 88 meters. Sorry, 12 meters less, meaning A has gone 88 meters, sir. Sorry, B. C by this, meaning C has gone 85 meters. Now, in a race of this, A, B will beat C. Acha, race of this meaning, sir, ultimately this is twice of this. You can see this. So, C will go also twice. meaning C will go 160, 170 meters. So beating will happen for 6 meters, sir. That's your answer. Sir, option number D, sir. Option number D, 100% is your correct answer. Because by the time B goes 176 meters, C goes 170 meters. Simple calculations of ratio, sir. Simple calculation of ratio. Next one, the ratio of the volume of the cube to that the hemisphere which will exactly fit. Sir, volume, sir, again, I'm trying to draw the plan view, meaning if you look at from the top of this. So if a hemisphere wants to fit a cube, the base of the hemisphere must look like this, na? Ki sir, area, so diameter of the hemisphere must be equal to the side of the cube, sir. This is the only condition where exact fitment will happen. Now they are asking ratio of the volume. Volume ratio, sir. So cube volume will be, let's take A cube ratio. Volume of the hemisphere will be 2/3 pi r cube. R is what? R will be, sir, diameter is side, meaning radius will be A by 2. A by 2 cube meaning A cube by 8. So A cube will cancel. This will be 4, 12, meaning 12 is to pi will be the answer, sir. So option number D. You see, option number D. Yes, Arghamita, nice to see you after a long time. 12 is to pi will be your correct answer, sir. Simple, simple, sir. Sir, selling price will be minimum under which of the following discount scheme? Sir, again, if total is the same and successive discounts are there, so single discount is always most beneficial, right? So again, minimum, the selling price minimum meaning discount is maximum. So successive, and there is only one single discount. I don't need to check, sir. Option D is the answer because that is the only one standing discount. So not every question needs to be calculated, sir. Next one, petrol and kerosene in this ratio. The ratio of the volumes mixed so that the mixture contains same. Acha. Meaning, sir, allegation laga do. First one, again, I can allegate through petrol or through kerosene. I am doing it through petrol, sir. So 17 parts out of 17 and 13, 30 parts. Over here it is 21 parts and this is 44. And petrol kerosene equal meaning 1:1, meaning half. Sir, please allegate this. So this is going to be 15 by 30, meaning 2 by 30 here. This is a 22 by 44, meaning 1 by 44. This is the ratio for 15 is to 44, sir. 15 is to 44, option A is the correct answer. Perfect, everyone. Everyone, simple question. Very, 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 very simple, you see. Nothing very difficult about this. Nothing that is very difficult about this. Next one, sir. Sir, you can solve this, but again, try to do it in 10 seconds. Sir, looking at the options, I can directly say this is my answer. Again, you will say, how did you say this, sir? Sir, A plus B whole cube or A minus B whole cube? Sir, minus part will cancel. I'm only thinking about the A cube and B cube part. Whatever is A square B, AB square, I'm not thinking about that. So this part will cancel. So only part I'll get A cube from here, also A cube from here. Meaning my answer will have a 2x cube. My answer will have a 2x cube. And sir, in this case, 3a square b, 3a square meaning x square, b is 2y. And over here also the same thing, so twice. So x square part will be there that as positive. And there is only one option that is there with plus. Because this negative part will always cancel. Because over here everything will be positive, here's a negative. So plus minus will cancel. So I can definitely say the most possible answers were these two. ये दोनों तो पहले ही नहीं होगा, sir. These two can never be the answer. So out of these two, only possibility is option A. Hence, I like kind of refrained from kind of calculating everything. And I can 100% say with 100% confidence that this is my correct answer. Clear, sir? Next one, please. Two persons, M and N, started moving towards each other. This speed after meeting. After meeting, they took this much time. So there is one GP concept. So S1, S2, root over of T2, T1. This is the very special formula. If you know, you know. If you don't, you don't. I told you guys multiple times this comes from the GP concept. Comes from the GP concept of a meeting of time, speed, and distance. Sir. So speed of M is speed of N. In this case, what we can do, I can write this is M, this is N. So this will be N, this will be M. Now speed of M, so speed of M is 6 by 5 times of speed of N. So you can write Sm by Sn. Speed ratio is 6 by 5. Meaning the left part is 6 by 5. Sir. That is equal to root over of whose time is given after meeting on the way. M took this much time. This much time is how much? 150 minutes. So M took 150 minutes. So N took how much? I don't know. I need to figure that out only. Chalo, calculate root. So this will be 36 by 25. Tn by, sir, 150. This is 6 times. Tn will be 216, sir. 216 meaning 3 hours and 36 minutes. So 3.6 hours is there in option B. 3.6 hours is there in option B. That has to be your correct answers. Again, you see, very, very, very simple. Very simple stuff. Nothing to be worried about. Next one, please. A alone, again time and work. Again a time and work question. A alone can complete a piece of work in 9 days, but works according to a pattern of 2 days of work followed by 1 day of rest. B can complete in 12 days, work continuously without any break. They start together following their respective pattern. When will that complete? Sir, efficiency ratio, sir. So 9 days for B, 12. So again, it gets switched. So that's what I've done. 3 4s, 3 3s. This is the efficiency ratio, sir. So total work will be what? If I calculate through A, so 9 4s are 36 units. Now A and B both started together. Now first day, A and B both will work. Second day, A and B both will work. Third day, sir, only B will work. Then again, A, B both works. Then again, A and B. Then again, only B works. And so on and so forth. So these are your packets. These are your packets. So every packet of 3 days, how much work is being done? A is working 2 days, B is working 3 days. So in 2 days, A will complete 8 units and B will complete 3 3s and 9 units, which will be 16, 17 units. So if I take 2 such packets, 17 here, 17 here. So total, sir, 34 units are done. 2 units are remaining, sir. Now, once this 34, once a packet ends, next day who will come to work, sir? Next day, sir, again A and B both will come to work. And they will take how much time to complete? So their combined efficiency is 7 units. They need to do 2 units. They will take this much time. So total time that is required is 2 packets, which is 6 days and 2 by 7 days. 6 whole 2 by 7, option number B, sir. Option number B, sir. That's your correct answer. That is your correct answer. Perfect, everyone. Simple, simple, sir. Next one, please. Next one, please, sir. Let's see क्या दिया है, sir. Area of ABD is given perimeter of EFD. Okay, simple. Sir, find AD first. Find the length AD first. How to do that? Using this information. Half into AD into AB. That is 13.5, sir. Sir, half into AB is 4.5. AD I don't know. So 4.5 threes are this. AD is 6, sir. Now please understand, sir, this is a similar triangle because of the parallel lines. 1.5 and 4.5 meaning 3 times. So if the total here is 6, so can I say this will also be 3 times meaning 2? Now again Pythagorean triplet 15, 20 and this will be 25 meaning 2.5, sir. ED. They're asking perimeter. Just add them. 2.5 and 1.5, 4 plus 2, 6. 6 will be the answer, sir. 6 will be the answer, sir. Again, I cannot see the options, but again, a very, very, very simple question actually. Let's see, 6 is there. Yes, sir. Option B. Option B, 6 is there as the answer. Next one, please, sir. Next one, please. During 1 year, population of the town increased by 10%, next year decreased by 10%. Array. So 1% decrement total. Sir, this 3000 is the answer. So again, it's a very, sir, if X% increases, X% decreases, net decreases X square by 100%. Either you can do this or think, sir, plus 10, minus 10, plus minus is minus, sir. Plus minus is minus 10 into 10, 10 square by 100. So this will be minus 1%. So after 1% decrement, the population is this. So 100% value would have been 3000. Again, you see, it is 30 less, 1% of 3000 less. So initial population was 3000. You don't need any calculations, big calculations for this. You do not need any big calculations for this, you see. You can just do this very normally. You can just do this very, very normally, sir. Clear? Clear, everyone, sir? Next one, please. Chalo. Amount obtained 8,500 after 2 years at the rate of this is this. Okay, 2 years. So P is to A given 8500 is to 12240. सर ये तो 17 का ही जा सकता है. 17 5s are this 50. 17 17 17 17 से 72 sir. 25 is to 36 sir. This is after 2 years. So 1 year ratio will be 5 is to 6. So rate of interest is 20%, 1 by 5. They're asking find the simple interest 9,000, same rate of interest, sir. For how many years? For 4 years. 4 years meaning 420s are 80%. 80% of 9,000, sir. 7,200 rupees. Option C is the answer. Option C is your correct answer, sir. You see, nothing is very difficult here. Nothing is very difficult here. Very easily doable. Very easily doable. चलो 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 next one please. अरे ये क्या है? DI. Based on the data, party B largest number of seats. Party B, sir, from north. ये तो, sir, this is free hit question. North, sir. This was a free hit question कि भाई आओ मुझे मारो. This was saying आओ मुझे मारो. Sir, department A 10 employees, average is this. B 10 employees, average is this. Achha, all three are 10 employees. So employees I don't even need. Employees, everybody is 10 employees. 40, 50, 60. Sir, average is 50,000. That's my answer, sir. No need to calculate. You see, you just need to use your brain a little bit. Sir, again, just think how many questions we did without actually doing anything, without using pen paper. Right? A student tries to prepare a closed cylinder from a rectangular card sheet. If the student tries to make a cylinder of radius 14 and height, this student will request area they are asking. Rectangular sheet, he will roll it in some manner and make a cylinder. So the area of the sheet, meaning the total surface area. 2 pi r into r plus h. Again, do one thing, na, sir. You can calculate 2 pi r into r plus h. The easiest way, if I'll check, you can check for multiple of 11, sir. This is not a multiple, not a multiple, sir. Option C is the answer. 176 is the only multiple of 11, sir. Because you see, because of this pi, sir. Pi is 22 by 7. It's a multiple of 11. Because you see, I can see both r and this multiples of, like these are integers and this is a multiple of 7. So by 7 will cancel here. 22 by 7 ka by 7. So option C is the correct answer. Sir, which of the following cannot be squared? Sir, any number which ends in 2378. The same concept where cyclicity is maximum. These four numbers also has the four cyclicity, the maximum cyclicity. Any number ends in this cannot be squared. So 2378, sir, again you see, ends in 2. That's my answer. Another question where pen and paper is not required. Pen and paper is not required, sir. Sir, they are saying what? A kg at B rupees, total is AB, some rupees C kg. Achha, total is AC. So for oranges, he has spent, total is this minus AB. And in this money, he has like bought C kg. So 1 kg is this. That's my answer. So take common, C minus B by C. Achha, options are given like this. So again, A divide by C. C is 1, B by C. 1 minus B by C, A into 1 minus B by C. Sir, option D. Option D, sir. This is how it will look. Again, couple of lines. Next one, please. Triangle. Achha, this is a circle, actually, tangent form. This is actually a tangent thing, sir. AB is given, BC is given, CA is given, length of AP. Sir, again, you can do it in different ways. Shortcuts are there. I'll give you everything. Let me give you the basics first. Sir, X here, Y here, Z here. Because both are same, right? So you will say, sir, AB is what? AB is X plus Y. That is 14. BC is what, sir? BC is Y plus Z. That is 9. And this will be Z plus X. That is AC, which is 12, sir. From there, I need AP, meaning I need the value of X. How to do? Sir, calculate. Simple calculations. So make the master equation or add all three. So you'll get 2 into X plus Y plus Z. That will be, sir, 14, 26, 35, sir. So X plus Y plus Z will be 17.5. So you need Y, sorry, X. I need X, so subtract Y plus Z, meaning 9 from here. So X will be 9, if gone, that will be, sir, 8.5. Sir, option number A, sir. Option number A, sir. Now the shortcut. Sir, if you need the value of X, so start from the nearest vertex. AP, if I need. Or rather, I'm just writing it like this. Or rather, so write down the, like, both the sides that is attached to this point, this vertex. That is AB plus AC. Subtract the opposite side by 2, sir. This will be direct answer. This will be your direct answer, sir. If you want to do it directly. Shortcut. But again, comes from what? Comes from this one. Now, whichever you prefer, go with that. Whichever you prefer, go with that. I don't have any problem. Data sufficiency. Mark price, MP, they are asking 30% discount sold at this. Sir, again, I can figure out MP from here. Because 30% on this, meaning 70% of MP is given as 420. So from there, I can very easily find MP. Again, DS questions, data sufficiency questions. You don't need to find MP. You just need to say whether, you need to figure out whether the MP can be found or not. So statement 1 is sufficient. Marked at 40% above CP, profit is given. Sir, again, it's not. So 40% above CP will take me to MP. But again, they are giving you profit. Again, that will work on CP. CP to plus profit will give me SP. But again, there is no way, neither CP is given nor the SP is given. Only the profit. I cannot find anything from here. So only statement 1 is sufficient. That is option A. That has to be your correct answer, sir. Next one, please, sir. Trigonometry identities, sir. Uh, you can use the basic formula, like meaning the value putting approach as well, but you can use normal questions as well, like normal questions kya bol. So this will be cos square A. I'm doing it normally because I am having this feeling if I put value then also it might be a little on the bigger side only. Okay, cos square A, this minus cos square A by cos square A, meaning cos to the power 4A by sine square A, because cos square into cos square. This part will be tan square A, meaning sec square A minus A, 1. So this will be, one part will cancel, this will be sec A minus 1. ठीक है? And this will be, अच्छा, if I take it as the LCM like this, so this cancels. So I am having cos square A, I can take common from the numerator, 1 minus sine square A. Array, this is 1. And cos to the power 4A. So this cancels, and again you see this is also cos square A, cancels. So this is total thing is 1. So this is 1, sir, and this is sec A minus 1. So your answer is sec A. Option A, sir. Option A, sec A is the answer. Discount and profit percentage was given. Yes, profit percentage, if this is given, then we could have gone for like the calculation. But again, Argamita, last question, na, they had only given you the value of the profit, 120 rupees. From there, we cannot find anything. Right? We cannot find anything. Next one, please, sir. Next one, please, sir. Sir, looking at the values, the first thing that struck me, sir, complementary angles. Chalo, 57 complementaries are this. So this will become cos. So this cancels 1. Sir, cot and sec, meaning this will be cos by sine. Cos by sine. This will be 1 by cos. So this is 1 by sine, meaning cosec. This will be cosec, sir. Minus this tan, again this and this is like they are what? Complementary angles. So this tan I can change to cot. So this is 1, sir, again. So your answer will be option D, 2, sir. Option D, 2 will be your correct answer. So because cosec minus cot is also 1, sir. Done, 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 done. Next one, sir. A simplification question. And you see, last 3-4 questions were very easy. And the last question is simplification. Chalo karte. 2 by 5 into 4 3s are 12, 15 by 4. So this is 3 by 2 plus 1 by 6 plus this is how much? 3, 4, 5, sir. Sorry, गड़बड़ कर दिया था. गड़बड़ कर दिया था, sir. 4 by 3, sir. So 3 3s are 9, 1, this is 2, meaning 8, sir. So 18 by 6, which is 3. This is the value of x. Sir, again, this is 3 by 4 into 1420 by, sir, this into 7 by 5. So 4 5s are this, 7 7s are this gone, sir. This is also 3. So x by y is 1 because both are 3. X is also 3, y is also 3. So answer is 1. Sir, option number 2, that is your correct answer, sir. So next is Kapil, sirs. I won't even try because I can't do it. Clear, everyone? So this was your the live mock analysis for this week. Again, I tried to give the solutions a little quicker, but again, the paper was very easy and expect this level only in your examinations. At least 7 to 8 questions were there, which we could have solved without using pen and paper. Now, if you have loved this session, please do hit the like. This gives the session a little more reach. So definitely hit the like, everyone, if you have loved the session, if you have understood the techniques, and whenever you are practicing, do try to think in these ways. So solving the questions are not going to be enough. Solving the questions in the proper manner within the time is going to be very, very important, right? So, with that being said, everyone, thank you so much. I'll again see you guys in the next class, and there will be many classes this week. I guess day after tomorrow only I'll take a class. Tomorrow also I'll take a session. So there will be a lot of there are a lot of things planned ahead. So please be regular, and I'll see you guys back to back classes only. So till then, please take care. Thank you. And if you have loved the class once again, please do hit the like. Thank you so much. And for any like queries, any suggestions, class suggestions you need, if you need any help with any topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. I'll see you guys next week. Like in the next class. Till then, please take care and bye bye. Like from my end. Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone.